Installing new windows is a significant investment that can enhance your home's energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and overall value. Whether you're replacing old, worn-out windows or upgrading to something more modern, the installation process requires careful planning and attention to detail. In Lexington, where temperatures can vary dramatically throughout the year, getting your windows right is essential. Avoiding common mistakes during installation can save you time, money, and frustration. Here are some key mistakes to avoid when installing new windows in Lexington. Neglecting to choose the right type of window. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is choosing the wrong type of window for their home's needs. Different styles of windows, such as double-hung, casement, or sliding, offer various benefits and are better suited for certain types of homes. For example, in Lexington, where winter temperatures can drop, opting for energy-efficient windows that provide superior insulation is crucial. Before purchasing new windows, consider the local climate and how each style can enhance your home's energy efficiency. For example, energy-efficient vinyl or fiberglass windows can reduce your energy bills by providing excellent insulation. Additionally, low-E coatings help reflect heat in the summer and keep warmth inside during the winter. It's also essential to think about how your windows will complement the overall aesthetic of your home. Inaccurate measurements. Another common mistake during window installation is inaccurate measurements. Incorrect window measurements can lead to windows that don't fit properly, which could cause gaps, drafts, and even water leakage. This not only reduces the energy efficiency of your home but can also lead to expensive repairs down the road. To avoid this, always double-check your measurements before ordering your new windows. If you're unsure of how to take accurate measurements, it's wise to enlist the help of a professional installer who has experience with the specific type of windows you are purchasing. A professional installer will also know how to handle unique framing issues in older homes, which is often an issue in Lexington's historic areas. Overlooking proper window installation techniques. Even if you have chosen the perfect window and taken accurate measurements, improper installation can negate all your efforts. Windows must be properly sealed to prevent drafts, water intrusion, and energy loss. Poor installation can also impact the long-term durability and security of your windows. For optimal performance, ensure that the window is securely anchored within the frame and that all gaps are sealed. Additionally, ensure that the window frame is level and plumb. If you're not familiar with the installation process, it's worth hiring a professional window installer with experience in your area. In Lexington, where homes can be old and the climate harsh, hiring an expert is often the best way to ensure the job is done right. Failing to account for local building codes. Lexington, like many areas, has specific building codes and regulations that must be followed when installing new windows. Failing to adhere to these codes can result in fines or the need to remove and replace the windows. Common building code requirements include proper window sizing, emergency egress for bedrooms, and specific installation practices to ensure safety. Before installation begins, check with local authorities to confirm that the windows you're purchasing meet Lexington's building codes. If you're working with a professional installer, they should be familiar with these regulations and ensure the job is done according to code. Not considering the long-term maintenance needs. While new windows can improve the look and energy efficiency of your home, it's important to consider their long-term maintenance needs. Some window materials, like wood, require regular painting or sealing to maintain their appearance and functionality. Other materials, like vinyl or fiberglass, typically require less maintenance but may still need occasional cleaning. Be sure to choose windows that fit your maintenance preferences. In Lexington, where the weather can fluctuate significantly, opting for low-maintenance, durable window materials can save you time and money in the long run. Overlooking window warranty and manufacturer's instructions. Many homeowners forget to thoroughly review the warranty and manufacturer's instructions when installing new windows. While it might seem like a small detail, understanding the warranty terms and proper care guidelines is essential. A good warranty can save you money in the event that your windows need repairs or replacement due to defects or damage. Ensure you're aware of the warranty period, what it covers, and any requirements for installation and care. Following the manufacturer's instructions is equally important for ensuring the longevity and performance of your new windows. Conclusion. Installing new windows in Lexington can significantly improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency, but avoiding common mistakes is key to a successful installation. Take the time to choose the right windows, measure accurately, and follow best practices for installation and local regulations. With the right approach, your new windows will not only look great but also provide lasting benefits for your home. If you're unsure about any step in the process, don't hesitate to consult a professional window installer to ensure the job is done correctly from the start.